Yay! Chicken. Sorry. I was just opening the skinny bit. Dogs are happy. We've had it resting for a bit. Oh my god. See, there's always that worry, isn't there, when it's like a bit pink, but as that chappie said, it's like a smoke ring, I think. Look at that. That's a bit good, isn't it? Heck, that's hot.
Did you swear?
No, I said feck.
Oh, watch out. Maud's about.
Watch out.
Maud, get down.
Bloody hell, that's really hot.
Maud? Sweet pea, get down.
Right.
Come on then, try some.
Oh gosh.
Come on, let me try some. Look at this, lovely.
Alright, hold on. You're right, this is really hot, Els. It's really hot. Done. Oh,
I think that's a success. That's very tender.
better than the lamb.
It's better
It's
than the
more,
lamb.
it's tenderer
It's
than the
very
lamb.
tenderer.
Oh, look at that. Look.
That's beautiful. Thanks for all the tips, everybody.
Oh, for me on a chicken.
And I think that's goodbye from the green household. Okay, turn it off. I can't turn it on there.
Turn it around.
Oh,